course book is chapter number 12, Tourist Spots in Manipur. Hoi mamangda chapter Taramathoi Nainakra matungda ngasi chapter number 12 Nainagani. Jawaharlal Nehru described Manipur as Switzerland of the East and Jewel of India. Jawaharlal Nehru adumba India ki ahanba Prime Minister oibikiba mahangna Manipur bu singthaduna ngasai phongdomba wahi madudi nongpok lamdam gi oinadi ngasai Switzerland haina Manipur bu khangnarami kaurami amadi India gi oinadi masi mani ni jewel ni haina hairami. Indeed, Manipur is endowed with salubrious climate, breathtaking scenic spots and beautiful people. Adumba Manipur hairibasida pinavirami madudi salubrious climate agadi yamna hakchang phaninga oiba ainga sai phibam yam healthy oiba climate, breathtaking scenic spots adi adumba breathtaking hairagadi ngasai khoigi yamna puning huninga oiba phajabajaba mafam kaya lei Pinavirami and beautiful people amadi leiramliba mafam asida leiriba praja mipum khudimakchu yamna ningthiba yamna mong mato niyom chumba ngakta oina Pinavirami. Now let us read about tourist spots in Manipur da koirakpa yaba lam khara khoi paminasi. Manipur is a land endowed with great scenic beauty. The state has a great potential for tourism. The oval-shaped valley surrounded by hills is a tourist delight. Nature has gifted the state with a diverse range of flora and fauna. The forests, waterfalls, caves, rare species of the flora and fauna of this unexplored land would be a wonderful destination for visitors with adventure in their hearts. The rare brow-antlered deer Sangha and only terrestrial lily, Shiroi lily, are the native of the state. The natural beauty of the state is further enhanced by the different art forms and the handloom and handicrafts, which are the result of the artistic sensibilities of different ethnic groups living in the hills and plains of the state. Adumba Manipur hairiba lamda masida akhoigi adukimatik ningthiba phajabajaba mafam kaya pinavirami ching nei koi na koi akhoigi leiba koisilaga leiba aduga mayaidana tampak oina leiba oval sebargadi yurum gi mong oiba asai pura round obadi nataba adumba hairiba mafam asi lamkoiba mi singna lakpa matamdadi yamna nungaiba delighted asumba lamdam asida isorna prakriti mausai imana pibirami pinavirami madudi sa kai hailei uwa phajana ningthina makhal kaya suna thambirami. The forest umang kayama, waterfalls ising chaibi kayama, caves surung adumba sing aduga loinana rare species of the flora and fauna hargading asagi hailei da makhal suna tang kayama amadi sa kaida asagi makhal kayama lamdam asida asagi mioiba koina yamna pura thidokpa ngamdriba unexplored lane adi akoina munna pura khangdriba mafam asida adumba kaya leiba thengnai pinavirami. Hairiba sing asi lamkoiba lakpa mioi singidi yamna harauninga oiba amadi yengninga oiba macha ngaktani. Hairiba sing masak phajaraba akogi masak phajaninga oiba adumba saktam phajabajaba mafam sing asigi magun hengalan madi kain hengalali different art forms adumba koi kala gi oiba mong khena ba makhal suna phanganba amadi handloom and handicrafts phisalon sagi adumba koi khutsa haibagi khena ba polam sing, which are the result of the artistic sensibilities of different ethnic groups living in the hills and plains. The ching the boy gera tam the boy gera leiba miyam sing aduna punjinaraga mokoi amana amang asai sanarakpa adagi moina semjarakpa akoigi khusa haibagi polam sing asumba sing asina lam koiba lakpa mi singna chumnagi lam tu damak yengbagi nungaibe mahutta mathakta asai hairiba polam sing asisu phangjabagi khudongchaba akoigi Manipur gi lamdam asida Ishwarna Pinavirami. Manipur gave the game of polo or Sawal Kangji to the world. Prithivida su adumba polo harmasana si Manipuri Kutangdagi Yahon Kivane. Festivals are celebrated all the year round when tourists can witness the diversity of the people inhabiting this small state. Aduga kena ba puruk kayana makoi gi ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯨꯝꯍꯩ ꯂꯥꯛꯄ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯍꯔꯥꯎ ꯀꯨꯝꯍꯩ ꯂꯥꯛꯄ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯃꯗꯨꯅ ꯆꯍꯤ ꯆꯨꯞꯄ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯃꯤꯑꯣꯏ ꯃꯐꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯈꯨꯟꯗꯥꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯤꯄꯨꯝ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛꯁꯦ ꯆꯍꯤ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛ ꯆꯍꯤ ꯆꯨꯞꯄ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯐꯦꯁꯇꯤꯚꯦꯜꯁ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯑꯃ ꯍꯔꯥꯎ ꯀꯨꯝꯍꯩ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯍꯜꯂꯒ ꯂꯩꯕꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯊꯣꯛꯍꯜꯂꯤ. The different dance forms, songs and the colorful costumes of different ethnic groups living in the state can be witnessed by the visitors to Manipur during the time of festivals. Hairiba kumai phiyong mayam asi kanagumba lam koiba lakpasingna thengnage natraga uge haribadi kumai sing asi pangthokpa matamda lakpa matamda soidana ki thengnagani uba phangani asini. The important festivals that can attract the attention of the tourists are Gangai, Idul Fitr, Lungaini, Yaosheng Lai Harauba, Chairauba, Rath Jatra, Haikur Hidongba, Kwak Jatra, Mera, Hau Chongba, Ningol Chakoba Kut, and lastly Christmas. Adumba, Kumai Kayama, Maming Pangre, Hairvasing Asina, Lamkoiba Laiva, Singadigi Puning Choidanamaki, Hubangamgane. These festivals would help visitors to have a glimpse of the tradition and culture of the people living in the state. Mafam asida hanadagi lairakliba furup singi adumba khena khena ba nat ki oiba saktam adagi makoi oiba phijet leiteng uba phangani. The natural beauty, historical sites and a favorable climate are the conditions that would make Manipur the ultimate tourist destination. Adumba mahausa ki oiba part akoigi umang wamang turil adumba Fajaba Saktam Kaya Adu Matakta historical sites Mahauron the Ging as Ayadumba Akugi Puari Kaya Mari Lenarpa Polam Sing Natraga Structure Sing Amadi High Balam the Masida Uiriba Ayang Asai Pibam Masina Masagi Manipur da Lamkoiba Singna Soidanamaki Yonina Nabagi Machak Ohengani Pibam Ohengani. The places which would make excellent tourist spots are Hoigi Manipur Gilamdamda Atopa Mapalam the Gina Traga Manipur Manung the Lejaba Masena, Koi Rubayaba, Ying Ubayaba, Mapam Kara, Makas the Pali, Ahanbata, Kangla. It was the ancient capital of Manipur situated in the heart of the state on western side of Impal River. The site is considered to be a holy shrine. Adumba, Kangla, Haiduba, Mapamasi, Impal Turel Ginokchup, Tangmasarukta, Laiba, Mapamamani, Haidu Mapamasi, Yamna, Sheng Laba, Laifam Amani, Haidra Lonai, Masi, Matamadadi, Ariba. Jukki Adumba Manipuri Konungni Hydra Lonarami. Sri Govinda's temple Anisubada. This temple is a historic Vaishnavite center and is located close to Royal Palace. The Golden Twin Dome Temple has a marble courtyard and a great assembly hall where devotees congregate to pray to the deities Radha, Govinda, Balaram and Krishna, Jagannath, Balabhadra and Subhadra. Hindu Lainingbu Ningjaba Thazajaba Kayagi Aduki Matik Chauna Pangthokpa yaba adumba moina khurumjaba yaba aduga akoigi ningthau kon ga yam nakna leiba mafam laisang Sri Govindaji temple hairibasina masi chanana maton toppa aduga maki akoigi courtyard hairigadi madugi sumang asin marble ngaktana thaba amadi achouba ka ngasai mayam magi lining asu thajajaba ningba lakpa kayana punna akoigi ningmina ba yaba khurumina ba yaba mafam lady Hari Mapamaduda, Makoina Kurumba, Yagadur Lai Sing, Maming, Radha Govind, Balaram Krishna Madi, Jagannath Balabhadra Subhadra Hari Singasini. Ahom Subhada Imam Market. This is a unique market where the stalls in the three main structures of the market are managed by Imas or mothers exclusively. Ima Sing Tanana Dragan Pubi Sing Tana Pamba Kaithel, Adumba Imam Market, Hari Top Topa. Mayam Manadaba, Atopam da Upangdaba, Adumakaselamane. Fish, vegetables, fruits, handloom items, can and bamboo products are sold in the stalls. Hiding Pamasda, Akogi vegetables, Haira, fruits, they give fish, nga, handloom items, Kunasaba, Fisalon Sagi, Polam Sing, can and bamboo products, Lina Saba, Wana Saba, Polam Sing, Hairiba, Kaitela Sigi, Polakta, Huina, Pangani. Shahid Minar, Marisubada. The monument known as the Shahid Minar is situated in the heart of Impal, the capital of Manipur, at Bir Tikendrajit Park. Adum by Impal ki hek mayolda Lairiba, Bir Tikendrajit Park, Hariba Sigi, Mapam da Yung Liba, Shahid Minar, Haribasina, Akoina Yang Mayaba, Koi Rubea, Pam Ching Manunda, Marisubane. This memorial pillar pays homage to the indomitable spirit of the martyrs who sacrificed their lives while fighting the British forces in 1891. Adumba British ka Manipuri gi adumba praja singa Manipuri gi lanmi singa 1891 da sona kiba lan pham da thawai na pon thaw kiba singi ningsing kudam moina na ba saba adumba awang ba mitam ama awang ma saktam amani hai ba se nanga sagi matam madu da lan du da thawai tha kiba sing adugi han banai da ba du mokoi thona du ningsing na ba yung kiba adumba pillar amani Mahasubha War Cemetery. The War Cemetery commemorates the British and Indian soldiers who died during the Second World War. Second World War matamda sikhiba lanmi kaya gi phumpham moiriba adumba War Cemetery asisu akoina koiraga chatpa matamda yengwe ampham ama oi. The cemetery is managed by the Commonwealth War Graves Commission and is located near the National Highway number 39 and opposite to DM College campus. Highway mafam ase akoina chatkiba matamda National Highway number 39 da chalabadi yobung amgani aduga highway mafam ase gi hek onaba opposite thangba mayok nabada kogi DM College campus legani. Highway mafam ase mapung oina yengchin bagi thauram se Commonwealth War Graves Commission haisina tawbani. The stone markers and bronze plaque on the grave records the sacrifice of soldiers adumba makogi mongphamadu da makogi siki bami sing adugi maming mathaga loina na hak tuna nga chagi nung na kogi yung duna thamli. Another war cemetery for the Indian soldiers is located at Hatta, Impal East. Aduga loina na Impal East su war da nga sai thawai ko thaw ki kaya gi kogi India gi makai dagi adumba sing adu ningsing na ba nga sai cemetery ma lei masina Hatta da lei. Manipur State Museum. The State Museum is located near Impal Polo Ground. Adumba Impal Polo Ground, Impal Mapal Gangyubungi, Manang Nakputa Laiba State Museum. Asisu Yengbaya Aba Chalubaya Mama Oi. It exhibits the relics and historical documents and portraits of the former rulers of Manipur. Adumba Ari Ariba Matamda Pan Kibaning Tokayagi photo Mede Makoina Siznaramba Polam Kaya Ari Ariba Che Chang Nachimba Uba Koi Pangani Mapamasa Luinamak Tienduna Uttuna Tamli. The costumes, arms and weapons on display are of special interest to visitors to the museum. Museum da koi balakpa kaya gi ding asagi maduda thela thamiba ulaga uhannana ba thamliba kusu khulai na chingba amadi mafimro na chingba sing adu yamna nungai ninga ba yamna puning huninga oi. Manipur Zoological Garden Taritubada. The Zoological Garden is situated at Iroishamba, about 6 kilometers from Impal towards the west, half a mile from the Impal Kangchup Road. Adumba Impal dagi nongchup tamna chatkhraga ngasagi Iroishamba hairam pham asida kilometer 3 kuma chalaga yauraga leiba Zoological Garden haibsisu yenguba yaba pham ama oi. The zoo houses the rare brow antler deer sangai and also different species of animals and birds. Hairiba mafam asida Kaibalam Jau National Park da phangba sangai saji makhal adubusu hairam pham asida koina uba phangani loinana to pakhena ba uchek sanga ka uba phangani. The Central Khongampat Orchidarium. The Orchidarium, situated 7 kilometers away from Impal, gives visitors an opportunity to see about 110 species of orchids. Orchids kaya gi thapam amadi phangpham akoina Impal gi mayondagi kilometer 3 lom akoina chalaga uba phangani hairiba mafam asida orchid makhal chamaga tara hena akoi uba phangani. The 200-acre Orchidarium is a host to rare varieties of orchids, which include almost a dozen endemic species. Adumba acre chani chawba orchid ki thapam orchid phangba masi nangasagi masida phangadu orchid si atang ba makhal chuna phangani. The best time to visit the Orchidarium is during April-May, when the orchids are in full bloom. Hairiba orchid singasina phajana sachaba matam April-May da chalabadi koi hena phajaba laising uba su ngamgani. Moirang Mapal Subada. Moirang is the focal point of the Ali Meitei culture. It is located 45 kilometers away from Impal and has the ancient temple of the pre-Hindu deity Lord Thangjing. Adumba Moirang hairim phamasi Impal di kilometer 95 chalaga akoina thenagani yobung amgani hairim phamasi da Hindu lainingi mamang da chanaramba thainigi ariba laising sing akoi uba phangani khudam moina akoina lanaramba lai Lord Thangjing. Adumba hairiba ariba kaya se akoina Moirang da chalabadi Meitei gi ariba nat ko kaya koi uba phangani. During the Lairao festival, the deity is honored by men, women and the children in traditional costumes by performing the ritual dance. Adumba Moirang dadi ngasagi Lairao bagi kumai pangthorku matamda akoina lai sing adubo akoina ningjaba lai sing adubo nupa nupi angang punna nat ko visual chetuna akoigi makoiga mari lenaba nat ko mari lenaba jagoi sing pangthoktuna kumai adu ngasagi pangthoi Moirang played an important role during Indian freedom struggle. The flag of the Indian National Army INA was first hoisted at Moirang on April 14, 1944. Adumba akoigi India gi ningkha tambagi lanjangda Moirang hari mafam asi gi chauba thodang ama lei. Hari mafam asi maktada April gi tang 3 1944 da Indian National Army hari ba lami kanglub adugi han firal chingkat khi. Tarasubada Loktak Lake. It is the biggest freshwater lake in the entire northeast region. Manipur gi adumba akoigi amatanga raba Loktak Parasi northeast ki oina khwaidea chokba freshwater leba part ni. Situated just 48 kilometers away from Impal di kilometer nifunipan chalaga yobanga mafamni. Sendra is a hillock in the Loktak Lake, a tourist resort and a visitor's delight. Boating is also introduced on the lake. Aduga high riba parasi gi mayai de leba parasi gi akoigi ishing marakta leba chingdum Sendra hari bisi tourist kaya gi yamna puning sumaninga mafam amani loina na hari mafam asida boating su khudong chaba leire hi tongbagi khudong chaba su leirami leire. Taramati Chubada Kabilamjao National Park. The park is located in the southwestern part of Loktak Lake. Kabilamjao National Park hari ba sangai gi makon oi ba sangai leifam oi ba sina adum ba Loktak Park adugi akoi nongchup thang sarukta leigani and is the natural habitat of the rare sangai, the brown-antlered deer. The entire lake is a wildlife enthusiast's dream. Adum ba mafam hari mafam asi sada adagi akoi mana masing da adagi akoi bagi environmentalist sing habitat makoina di hari mafam asi uba matamda yojaba matamda adugumatik nungaijaba phawninga mafam ni. Chubada Kaina is a hillock situated at about 29 kilometers away from Impal on the Impal Yaripok Road. Impal Yaripok lambi taba Maikairomda kilometer kumapal chalaga hariba Kaina hariba chingdum asi akoi thenagani. On the lofty heights of the Kaina Hills is a legendary temple where Ras Leela dance is still performed in its premises. Hariba chingdum asi gi mathakta laisang ama lei hariba laisang asi da pangthonaba jagoi gi thoram sing asi adigumatik akoi singthaningai oi. It is a sacred place for the Hindus. Hindu lining chatbag singyoinadi hariba Kaina hariba chingdum asi adigumatik yamna senglaba lafam amani. Legend has it mayamna sonarmagi matungina that madudi Sri Govindaji appeared to Bhaigachandra, the Maharaja of Manipur, in the dream, asking him to build a temple and shrine with the Lord's image carved out of a jackfruit tree growing at Kaina. Kaina the Hoba Adum Chingdum the Hoba Hui Taibong Pambi Amadagi, Taibong Pambi Udagi, as a Hakto Hokjin Doraga, Bhaigachandra Mamanda, Sri Govindaji Laga, as a Laishang Chan and a Pokta Pirami, Gaina Tajan from Amani. Khongjom Traum the Shubada. It is an important historical site situated 35 kilometers away from Impal along the Indo-Myanmar road. Adumba Mori Takiwaba Lambel Hari Maikesomda Impal the kilometer Kuntram Chalaga, Khongjom Hari Pamsakoina Tenagani. The Khongjom War was fought at this place in the year 1891. 1891 da Aduma Khongjom Lana She Pangto Kirami. The brave Manipuri warriors fought the Battle of Khongjom against the invading British Army. Aduma British ski land mission Kudum Chanchina Chanchilak land from Maduda Lanjang Aduda Mayona Kiba Maitegi Aduma Manipuri Matona Lerba Land Mikayana Aziki Khongjom Maripam is a land Chona Kibani. Khongjom is a symbol of patriotism and valor. Adum Bamare Bangning Bamadi Matona Lebagi Kudam Hujichu Khongjom na Wehori. It is known for the martyrdom of the Major General Pauna Brajabasi. Adumba Pauna Brajabasi Mathwai Napontawa Kibagi Adumba Pidamninga from Amani. Khongjom Day is celebrated on April 23 every year. Sahi Kudingi April Tarikulum do Yorpomatam da Tarikulum do da Khongjom Namit Haina Pangsok Nay. Tramari Subada Andro. Andro is located 27 kilometers away in the east from Impal. Impal di Nongpok da kilometer Kuntira Chalaga, Andro I'm from Sako Yogangani. A cultural complex is established at Andro by the Mutwa Museum. Mutwa Museum Koba Amanang Sagi Hari Famas da cultural complex Sama Linkat Kre. There is a fireplace at Andro which has been burning for the last couple of millennium years at the historical site of the mythical King Panam, who is worshipped with reverence by the people of Andro. Hari Famasi Akoigi Asida Leba Miamna Ningnaba Adumba Akoigi Mokoigi Puari Gi Tiny Gadi Matam Ningtau Panam Hari Basina Akoi Pan Kibalamdam Hari Balamdam Asidasu Sagi Say Lissing Kaya, my shang, a mana chak to Nadum lakliba lamdam amani andro hairibasi. There is also a very big drum inside the hall. Hairiba ka chobaduda khwai choba drum amasu lei, where the sacred fire is burning. Mai siang maduna chakliba ka duda choba drum amasu akoina uba phangi. Andro is also known for its production of unique potteries. Chafu phajabajaba kaya ama sabagi damta andro si thudo hindona maming chali. More is an international border town located on the Indo-Myanmar road, 110 kilometers away in the southeast of Impal. Impal ki Khanopuk thang masaruk ta chalaga kilometer chamtra chalaga ha mao hai mpham ase more hai mpham ase akoina Myanmar ga taina mpham da akoina thengna gani. It is a busy trade center where people from many places settle to do business. Hai mpham is the laloliti ki adukimati kungna mayam chathanari. It is 5 kilometers away from Tamu, the border town of Myanmar. Myanmar ki oiba chobo sohor Tamu Harris kilometer manga lapthoga lebam phamni. The opening of the border trade has turned More into an important commercial hub in the northeast. Northeast ki oina Awangnopu ki oina Bharat ki Awangnopu ki oina khwaidagi senmilon da chobu mating piriba pham ama oina hojikti sakhangnare. All kinds of Thai and Chinese consumer goods at cheaper price can be obtained from the two border towns of More in Manipur and Tamu in Myanmar. Myanmar ki oina Tamu da, Manipur ki oina More da hairim pham asida akoi tang polam kaya ama akoina phangma ngamli yamna hongba mamalla. Taraduk shubada Ukhrul is situated 83 kilometers away from Impal in the east. Nong Poklom the Chalaga kilometer Marphum the Chalaga Ukhrul lakoi chanagani. It is one of the highest hill stations of the state and is famous for the Shiroi lily, which grows on the Shiroi hill. Another interesting tourist spot worth visiting is the Kangkhui Lime Caves. Adumba Ukhrul hai pham is akoina yengninga pham kaya ama lei adugi mathakta akoina maru oina panba yarabada Shiroi lily haibasi Ukhrul la satpa leirangni. Aduga loinana atopa mana Kangkhui Lime Caves hadina ngasai akoigi Ukhrul da limestone chungnanaba honarami maramdi hairiba pham is lime gi surung yamna akoi uba phangi. Tamenglong is situated 156 kilometers away from Impal. Impal the kilometer cham yankaitere lom asai chalaga Tamenglong hariba lamda masakoina thenagani hairibasi Impal lom da chatpa hairibasi Impal the chatpa hairisi kilometer chamaga yankaitaruk chatpa hairisi akoigi nongchu pangna chatpa haidoni. The interesting tourist spots in Tamenglong da akoina yengba yam pham maru pham sing are the Tharon Caves, Burning Meadow, Jilad Lake and Barak Waterfalls. Hairibasing ase koina More da Tamenglong da chalabadi pham sing ase koi uba phangani. Tamenglong is famous for its oranges. Tamenglong da orange se adugumati miyamna khangnai. Cane bamboo products aduga loinana li gi oiba objects sing products sing su items sing su sakhangnai. And also for its handicraft items. Loina ngasai khutsa haibagi polam kaya amsu Tamenglong asdagi akoina phangjabagi akoi kanabalai. Tariban subda Mao. It is a hill station bordering Nagaland, situated midway between Kohima and Impal on the National Highway number 39. National Highway number 39 da leiba Impal gi saruk Mao haibalam da masi Nagaland ga taina mafam da leibani. Nagaland gi na Kohima gi saruka taina ba lamda madubu akoina Mao kawi. It is located at an altitude of 1562.02 feet above sea level. Samudragi maidi lisingamo changa humpuritoy sumna dasmik 0.02 leiba mafamda hajigi akoigi Mao hariba awangba hill station ase uba phangani. Makhel, the historical place of Naga dispersal and the legendary place of common origin of Meiteis and the Nagas, is also worth visiting. Aduga loinana Makhel hariba lamda masisu akoina yengba yaba yamna puari leiba yamna itasi oiba mafam ama oi maramdi hairim pham asdagi akoi tribal amadi Naga amadi Meitei sing ase hodongmina khibani haidana. The Juko lily blooms in the Juko Valley during the months of May and July. Juko lay mafam is the sali haiba lay si mapungaina May amadi July gi thabanda tamak satpa akoina thenagani. Asumna tawdana koi Manipur da leijariba lamdam khal khena ba lam sing asigi mami matha koi khangel matha phadaba lay.